So you want to learn how to edit a PDF file such as this client feedback survey form where there's fields such as name, age, email, contact, and a few other questions. Or let's say you've got an agreement or a contract that you need to sign, such as this right here. In this example, we've got a partnership agreement that we need to sign and print our name on. So how exactly are we going to do that? Well, that's what I'm going to show you in this tutorial. I'm going to share two tools that can edit PDF files for you and all for free. Now, I did research quite a number of PDF editing tools, but unfortunately you do need some sort of premium plan or upgraded account. So the first way that you can edit your PDF file is by using a tool called Sejda. Now, I'm not sure if I pronounced that right, but this one is like free, purely free, and you actually do not even need to sign up at the time of this recording. All you need to do is head to sejda.com, and then where it says edit a PDF document, just click that once. Next, you upload your PDF file. Simply click on edit PDF file, or you can choose the drop down where you can select a source, whether it's from Dropbox, Google Drive, OneDrive, or a web address URL. I'm simply just going to upload it from my computer. In this example, I'll use the client feedback form right here and click on open. And right away, you'll see the PDF right there that you can edit. At the top, you'll see a number of options and tools to choose from text, links. You could even add a form to it, add images. You could sign as well. You could white out something, so wipe out something, or annotate, so putting strikeouts, highlights, even freehand drawing, adding different shapes, and finding and replacing text. In this first example, let's try to edit this form. Now, we wouldn't need to do this in a realistic scenario of, a client feedback survey form, but let me just show you how this tool works. Simply click on text, and then where this name field is, you'll see if you hover over that field, you can edit this text by simply clicking. You'll see the cursor change, and then right here is where I want to put, let's say, full name. Now, in order to actually add some text, make sure you've selected text again, and then click where you want to add the text. So right here, I'm going to enter my name. You can reposition by simply dragging it, and there we go. And from here, you can edit your PDF file in any way you want. So for instance, let's say we want to wipe out all these checkboxes right here. We simply click on whiteout, and let's highlight everything right here. Now that's selected, we can change the actual background color to match our PDF form's background. So I'll click that, select a color from the document. Let's select this right here. Now that it's in the color palette, I'll select it, and there we go. It does have a border, so we'll just click that once again, and this is the border color. We'll select none right here, and that's completely gone. Once you're satisfied with all the changes that you've made, simply click on Apply Changes. It'll say your task is processing. Now it says your document is ready. Down below, you'll see a preview of what your form looks like. To download it as a PDF once more, click on Download. All right, moving on, another way that you can edit your PDF files is by simply using Canva. First of all, make sure you have a Canva account. If you don't have an account, look in the description box below where there's a link to Canva. There's also a 30-day trial of Canva Pro, so feel free to sign up using that link if you do want that. Now head over to your Canva account, and once you're in your homepage, drag and drop your file. We're going to try something different and upload our partnership agreement PDF. So let's drag and drop it right there. Once it's uploaded, you'll see it right here. So this is the partnership agreement. Click it once. Now you've got your document open. If I simply highlight over it, you can right away edit the document. So let's say partnership agreement, you want partnership contract, or something like that, right? Same goes for the main body text right here. Enter anything you want. You could also change the font, so I'm selecting it all. And this time, let's say we want to use Clear Sans regular. All right, not the best looking, but that is how easy you could do it. Let's sign this agreement and also print our name. Let's start with the easy one, and that is printing our name. So it's as simple as using the text tool right here, just as you would if you were to design anything on Canva. And I'll click on add a text box or press the T button on my keyboard. That's the shortcut. All right, it's inserted right here. I'll just drag and drop it somewhere here. All right, there we go. I'll just arrange it right here. Now let's get to signing this agreement. Canva recently released this draw tool, so we could very well utilize this draw tool and then selecting the pen tool. And let's keep things simple and choose black, and then simply sign away. All right, so as you can see, I've signed my life away, and now what I'll do is download this file as a PDF document. Click on Share, And then where it says download, click on download, and you'll see the file type, right? It will select PNG by default or one of those other options, but what you would do is simply select PDF. Now, if you're going to print this, choose PDF print. Otherwise, if it's just going to be electronically sent, click on PDF standard and then click on download. And now when I open up the signed partnership agreement, you can see the signature and printed name, and that's it. I can simply send it and I'm good to go. All right, and that is how easy it is to edit a PDF file. Let me know in the comments which of these tools you'll be using, Sejda or Canva. I'd love to know. In the meantime, do give this video a thumbs up if it helped you, and do stick around to watch these next relevant videos. Thanks for watching and do take care.